Hi guys, in this video we'll see about the fine motor development, a part of developmental milestones in pediatrics. First, it starts with 3 months. In 3 months, the baby will hold the object when you keep it in the hand, and usually the object will be the rattle that makes the sound. So at 3 months, it holds the rattle, and by 4 months, we'll consider two hands. So the papa will try to catch with two hands the object in the two hands. Okay, so it catch with the two hands in the fourth month, 2 and 4, and sixth month it tries to transfer. Now it has catched, it tries to transfer from the one hand to the other hand, so transfer at sixth month. At ninth month it has a grip that's called pinch grip. So 9 and P are like alike, so it's like a pinch grip, but that is immature pinch grip. At 12th month, that is our birthday, we know that in our first birthday we would have folded that plastic knife and cut that. So it means we would have developed a mature grip, that is a fine grip is matured. And another thing is there is a decreased mouthing. Mouthing is whatever the object we give to the small babies, it will try to put in the mouth, and that is reduced by this 12th month, that is the first birthday, first year of age. By 15th, now for our convenient purpose we are going to divide this into three things. Okay, first is 15 months. Here it is self feeding. Okay, so self feeding, it will scribble and build 2 to 3 cubes. Self-feeding with cup. And actually how to remember this is cup start with C, so it will cup, again it is scribbles C, and cubes, it is minimal cubes, 2 to 3 cubes. Coming to 18 months, it is spoon. When you give spoon, it will feed papa spoon. Okay, and when we count this SPOON, it is 5 letters, and the cubes will be somewhere maximum 5 and minimum 3, so 3 to 5 cubes. So it is 5 letters, and that's what 3 to 5 cubes or 4 cubes the papa build. At 18 months, not only it builds cube, also it turns the pages. How much pages? It is 3 pages or 2 to 3 pages it will turn. When you give the book, it will turn to 2 to 3 pages. And next is 2 years. At 2 years, here already it has built 5 cubes. Now it is 6 to 7 cubes by 2 years. And as far as page is concerned, now it is getting matured, so it will turn only one page. In that one page, it starts drawing something. They were scribbling before, now it is drawing. But what is drawing is a vertical lines or vertical strokes. Just it will make some strokes on one page. Next is 3 years. 3 years, again the cube, like 3 and 9 are multiple, so remember like 9 to 10 cubes. And it makes circle. It draws circle at 3 years. And then at 4 years, it makes a bridge. And it also copies square, it buttons its dress, buttons and as well unbuttons the dress. 5 years, it copies the triangle and tie shoelace. That's it. So hands, catch it both one hand, both hand it catch it and transfers it. Immature pinch grip, fine grip, mouthing is decreased by 1 year. And then 15 months, it is feeding with cup C again, so scribble C, and 2 C's, it is 2 to 3 cubes. 18 months, it spoon feeds, spoon is 5 letters, and Here again it makes maximum 5 cubes, minimum 3, these 3 cubes, and it also turns the pages by 2 to 3 pages. 2 years it draws a vertical line, just a vertical strokes in one page, and yes, it turns to one page. A total cube it will develop by 2 years is 6 to 7 cubes. 3 years it is 9 to 10 cubes, it will draw circle. 4 years it is drawing the square, and 5 years it is the triangle. Thank you so much for your patient listening.